ready to transform ordinary into extraordinary with the timeless charm of Buffalo Plaid. Buffalo Plaid, with its bold, Teuton check, is everywhere, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own, either digitally or with DIY methods. First, let's tackle the digital approach. Open your favorite design software, like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, and create a new document. Start by making a grid. The size of your squares will determine the scale of your plaid, so experiment to find your favorite. Choose your two main colors. Classic Buffalo Plaid uses red and black, but feel free to get creative with your own color combinations. Think navy and green, or even pastel pink and gray. Now, fill in the squares following this pattern. Alternate the first color across the first row, then alternate the second color in the next row. Repeat this pattern to fill the entire grid. To create the signature Buffalo Plaid look, add a third shade, where the two colors meet. Fill half of the block with the color of the square to the right and the other half with the color of the square above. Repeat until all blocks are filled. You can also achieve this by layering semi-transparent squares. Now, for the DIY method, stenciling. Create or purchase a square stencil. Lay your fabric out on a flat surface and using fabric paint, stencil your first color in evenly spaced squares. Let it dry, then offset the stencil and apply your second color. This will create that classic check pattern. Remember to let the paint fully dry and heat set it with an iron to make it permanent. You can also use a sponge to dab the paint for a textured look. Whether you choose digital design or a hand-sewn technique, you've now got the skills to create your own awesome Buffalo Plaid. Get creative and apply this pattern to anything from mugs to tote bags. Happy crafting!